50 bamboos for scaffold. The 100 bamboos I bought last week, all of them have been used for the scaffold, the bamboo scaffold, because we use it to support the ones that have gone bad. No, we stopped work since February 2025 this year. We just started work in September, last week of September or first week of October 2025. So all the bamboos, they have decayed. Those bamboo scaffold we did for the church building, they have decayed. So what we do now is we buy new ones and use it to add to make another scaffold. But adding it along to the other one is like making a new scaffold altogether. Without removing the old one, we put side by side the new one so that somebody can stand on it and the iron bender works on top of it. The bricklayer, as you can see, the bricklayer is working on top of the window, the scaffold, bamboo scaffold. And then for casting of the pillars as well, the beams is done on top of the scaffold. So that is it. You see them working on top of the scaffold. He's standing on top of it, laying the blocks. So he's going to upload the bamboos now. We thank God for everything. To God be the glory. Bricklayer. The block molder is molding. And the carpenter is also working on the pillars. Thank you. God bless you.